Hello everyone, welcome to Engineer's Palette. I hope you all will be doing well. Today our topic is lofted cut. Let's make some sketches. First one, this, extrude, 60 or 70. Okay, done. Now again, select the top plan, draw another sketch. Okay, like right here. Sorry, this has to be deleted. This one, features, extrude it to 60, 70. Okay, now let's just draw some. Okay, here, this one, and yes, this is in the center. This will be it. Now, what is now? Exit sketch. Now, what you need to do, you need to draw a sketch on it and select polygon tool. I want something which has a 7 side. Like this. Should be it's good now. Okay, what I need to do is exit a sketch, and now go to a lofted cut. Yeah, here it is. Select this one. Now this one. This is a simple lofted cut, and here is my required shape or geometry that I wanted. Now again, let's get some more edit tools, some more. Okay, here to here, exit sketch, and now here again select polygon tool. Okay, I want this much. It's good. Okay, again exit. Now what I need to do is lofted cut. This is selected. Select this one and this enough. Now I forgot to include this one, these constraints in a lofted bars, but now we'll study here. So I want direction vector, sorry, normal to profile. It means that these endpoints or end or start constraints. So what I need to add them to the 0. Okay, or let's include it to okay 2. And now I want to give this some angle, 30 degrees. Okay, like this. So it has expanded at 30 degree from this, and it will be 2 millimeters upside. End constraints which will be here, because my starting was this. Now you need to give some direction vector, but I don't have any now, so I have to normal to very similar thing, but here I'll also give it an angle of 30 or maybe less, 10, or okay, let's give it an angle of 90, like this. It's straight. 90 degree means it's just straight, or 180 degrees, how it will look like. Okay, 65, 75. It's not showing it. Okay. Now, if I give it an angle of 5 degrees or a 0 degree again. Now it's again showing this, that, or I should give it an angle of 60 degrees. It is more like a cup. Like this. Now this is my object. Okay. Let's select another. Make another one, and we'll use guide curves this time. How to use guide curves while creating such geometries. Okay, go to top plane here, and again I need to create some rectangle like this, and now extrude feature. Okay, 70 is good. Just sketch it here and here. Okay, I think this will be a center. No, so it's good. Okay. Now this side. Okay. And select a polygon tool here. This thing. This will be okay. Now, what I need to do, I need to just, for example, I want to select a plane for my guide curves. So what should I do? Plane, and I need a plane in between this solid body. Select this one, this side, and this side. So the plane is just in between. And now, so here, draw a sketch over it. And my sketch is spline. It has. Okay. I want this like this, or here. Select to move it a bit here. A bit, maybe a bit like that. Okay, now another spline. Select this one here, and now here, this. Select. So just adjusting it a bit. Okay, I think that this is good. Okay, now and lofted cut, go to features, first exit from the sketch. Now select the lofted cut. Okay, this and this. Now they both are selected, but what we need to do is a guide curve. Again, this one has a guide curve, and this one also. This one, yeah, here. Now this is how my shape will look like. That's what I created. Okay, now another one that I need to draw is let's hide this one, and now select the top plane here, and let's draw another. Okay, so now here I need to draw just a guide curve first. I'll tell you why I'm doing this first, because to prevent my sketch, sometimes it gives a problem that your guide curve does not intersect the sketch. So I need to first draw these, and I first draw them, but let's after that we'll draw our sketch. Okay, this like this, like this. Okay, it's good now. And now what I need to do is to just select this face, and here select a parametric circle. First select this point, select this point, need to select first this, now this, and here is my circle. Again here, so I will again select this parametric circle. Here. Okay, now again parametric circle, select this, this, and here, and just this over here, and good now. Okay, now go to Lofted cut. Here's my Lofted cut. Select this one. Now select this one. Guide curves. Select this one and select this one. Yep, that's okay. So this is my top view. So I've just constructed these geometries by using this Lofted command, Lofted cut command. I hope you'd like it. Please like and share our videos with your friends, and do subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.